Hello guys, today I'll show you how to invest trading profits. When starting your trading journey, it's crucial to explore different markets. You can find stock markets, forex, and indices trading, commodities trading, and cryptocurrencies. Trading is risky, but you can reduce losses by following these strategies. Use stop-loss orders, manage leverage carefully, diversify your portfolio, and stay updated. Also, start with a demo account so you can understand how everything goes before you use your real money. So, choose a market that matches your goals, learn risk management strategies, use demo accounts to practice and stay updated with market funds. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.